What a bargain we have here in Al Furjan. I am going to take you through a 4-bedroom, fabulous townhouse, 3 floors, and it has its own swimming pool. It's newly built and you can move in time for the new school year. So I know there's a lot of you families looking around for vacant homes, and I have some right here for you in the heart of it all in Al Furjan. So let's turn around the camera and let's go see what we have here. So we walk in the front door and you have the stairs going up. We've just got a builder here finishing the last few bits of cleaning. Now we don't have electricity in here, I'm very sorry. So you're just gonna have to bear with me. It's a little bit dark. So here is your lovely large living area. But check out this garden. You can put some great trees, landscaping, make it really, really private here. I definitely have some palm trees there. And you've got a nice little dip pool here, which is lovely. So absolutely beautiful. There's very few townhouses at this price. In fact, I don't know any with a swimming pool in Furjan, this price. So these are unique. So here you have your open plan kitchen. Sorry, I can't get the lights on here. And it looks into the family living area. And then let's just walk outside here a second so you can see the garden. So great space. Here, that's all you need here. You need a nice dip pool, a little bit of grass already down, so you can move in pretty much straight away. And this has been left because most people like to do their own landscaping, but here is the property in all its glory. There we have it, gorgeous swimming pool. Okay, so let's go and check out. This is a 4-bedroom townhouse in total, so you will have to decide on what goods you want here in the kitchen. So they're not included, but you do have a sink and you have the hood there as well. So here we have it. And then in here we have got the downstairs bedroom. So there's 3 bedrooms upstairs and the downstairs bedroom, fully equipped bathroom. This particular bedroom goes straight out onto the garden. So it's a great guest bedroom, or if you don't want it as a guest bedroom, you can always use this as another family room, okay? What I love is this stairs that goes up, and we'll have a look at that in just a minute. Really, really modern. And toilet downstairs, and this is the maid's room here, and her or his shower, okay? So there's storage there as well. And in fact, this has been done so that you can put in your washing machine as well. So that's like your little laundry cupboard there. That's back to the front door we walked in. So now let's check out and walk upstairs. And look at these, it's like hanging stairs. They're really, really great. So as we go upstairs, here's your master bedroom. Really, really spacious. Built-in cupboards. And there we have it. Here is your bathroom, and you've got a walk-in shower there. And then we've got, this is rather unique here. So you've got an upstairs living area or terrace, what have you, and a little kitchen area and a sink. So this could easily be your TV room or study or second hangout or cinema room, depends what you want to use it, but it's very, very useful. And then let's take you to the last 2 bedrooms. So you've got bedroom 1 here, and they've got a connecting door through there. And then here is your last bedroom, and again it connects there through there. That is your view. So those 2 share the bathroom here, which sorry, we haven't got the lights on in here, but it's got a shower and a toilet. Okay, so that's the first floor. Now, something that's pretty unique in Al Furjan is this particular property has permission to build a roof, which is not normal, okay? So check out this roof area. So you've also got a roof area here. So I think you'll agree this is a great thing. It's a ready property in Al Furjan at a great price. with a swimming pool, and it's pretty modern finish. So if you want more details, it's good looking down on this property, look below in the description of the video, and it will give you the size, the price, and how to contact me to view it immediately. These are ready to move in right now, so you can be a mortgage buyer or you can be a cash buyer, and you can purchase from anywhere around the world. And you know, close by here in Furjan, you're near the metro station, you've got Spinneys supermarket, you've got Giant supermarket, and you know, you've got IKEA and the mall at Ibn Battuta. Really not very far away at all. So if this is for you, let me know. And remember, this one comes with a swimming pool. Thank you so much for watching. Press like, subscribe to my channel, and never miss another video. Thank you.